Hello everyone, my name is Maylanie and I'm from LB2 Acid and Salt. Today our group is going to explain about how those factors can affect the properties of hydrogels. There are a lot of factors that can influence the properties of hydrogels. It includes the chemical structure, the solvent quality, the degree or level of bonding between polymeric chains, and some specific stimuli caused by the changes of the environment. For example, we can also determine the amount of water absorbed based on the type of polymer used or the temperature and pH conditions during the process.
So the type of superabsorbent hydrogels can absorb the specific substances from the environment and keep them in their polymer matrix for some time, even under mechanical pressure. Because as it is kept inside the polymer matrix, and as their polymeric chains of hydrophilic groups is inside the water, they ionize, which leads to a higher degree of swelling than other polymers.
The mechanical behavior of hydrogels is driven by the polymer elasticity during swelling, because during the process of water absorption, ions distance themselves, which leads to the reducing osmotic pressure. That makes the interactions between the polymeric chains become weaker and limits the process of the swelling process.
The increase of hydrophilicity content in the hydrogel can be affected by the increase of the formation of hydrogen and covalent bonds, together with the increasing concentration of hydrophilic groups. The change of the environment, air dryness, and degrees can also improve the swelling degree.
Hydrogel properties. First, mechanical resistance. It determines the structural integrity. Can be analyzed through textile analyzer.
For swelling index determines the swelling ability and the amount of fluid absorbed, and it was analyzed using gravimetric method.
Another properties of the hydrogel includes the chemical characterization. It can be used to determine the main chemical and conformation functional groups, the molecular weights, and the chemical structures. Chemical characterization can be analyzed through the ATR-FTR spectrometer, gel permeation chromatography, and nuclear magnetic resonance.
Thermal resistance determines the structure thermal resistance at specific temperature and analyzed using DSC TGA. Then physical or morphological characterization, it visualizes the hydrogel and hydrogel-based structure. This analyzed using SEM and APM. And the last one is wettability. Determines the level of interaction between hydrogel, surges, and liquid. This analyzed using gonioether method.